In this episode, we leave the Granite State, passing through scenic Bartlett, Glen, and Conway, New Hampshire along Route 302 East to enter the Pine Tree State, passing through Fryeburg, Bridgeton, Naples, and Long Lake on our way to Bar Harbor and Acadia National Park. From Florida to Alaska, from the East Coast to the West Coast, join Steve and Jane celebrating their 50th anniversary as they explore America in the cool Nana Coach, their 27-foot Thor Freedom Elite motorhome, as they visit the many points of interest in our beautiful country on their golden anniversary adventure. Our time in the Granite State has come to an end. We depart our White Mountains base camp at Green Meadows in Glen, New Hampshire. Situated about a half a mile off the highway, we enjoyed a quiet, peaceful stay at this well-managed campground. As has been the norm during the past 3 weeks in our stay throughout New England, it's yet another rainy autumn day. But the sights we visited during our 4-day stay in the Granite State were, to say the least, incredible. The Kangamongas Highway, Mount Washington, the Cathedral Ledge, the Flume Gorge, Conway, Glen, and Bartlett Towns, all a great adventure for us to see. Now would be a great opportunity for you to hit that subscribe button and please give us a thumbs up. Our journey takes us down Route 16 to Route 302 East, approximately 50 miles through the towns of Glen, Bartlett, Conway, and North Conway, New Hampshire, crossing the state line into the Pine Tree State, through Fryeburg, Bridgeton, and finally Naples, Maine. One of the first towns we encounter on Sebago Lake is Naples. Featuring dinner excursions, cruises, seaplane rides, and great fishing trips, Naples is one of the Sebago Lake region's premier destinations. From Naples, we head south on routes 114 and 11. 114 is the main access road for many, many miles of Sebago Lake's western and southern shores. The Native American name Sebago means great stretch of water, the perfect description of Maine's second largest lake. Sebago Lake is 8 miles wide and 10 miles long. Its excellent water quality is the source of drinking water for the city of Portland, which makes the southernmost part of the lake restricted from swimming, although boating is allowed. There are 6 towns with shore frontage on Sebago Lake. To give you an idea as to how large this lake is, the towns of Windham, Raymond, Casco, Sebago, Standish, and Naples all have frontage on Sebago Lake. Long Lake, Brandy Pond, Crooked River, and the Sago River all flow into Sebago Lake and provide 43 miles of continuous waterway for recreational purposes. Outflow is primarily by way of the Penobscot River, which flows southeast into the Atlantic. Because of the lake's large size, large boats can cruise the waterway, but there are numerous coves and basins for quieter activities like canoeing and kayaking. Here, Route 11 veers off south to the town of Baldwin, while we continue on Route 114 as it turns east along the shores of Sebago Lake toward East Sebago. Richard's Dairy Delight has been the region's most popular seasonal traditional walk-up restaurant. It's a walk-up restaurant featuring fried seafood, burgers, fries, and ice cream treats. It's located directly in front of Our Lady of Sebago Church, and it's a must-stop for all the tourists in the area. Sebago is a quiet, friendly town on the western shore of Sebago Lake. It has approximately 1,800 permanent residents enjoying the rural beauty of over 50 square miles of mountains, lakes, and ponds in the area. It's a perfect place for a vacation. On a clear day, you can see Mount Washington in the distance. You can hike or snowmobile at Pearl Mills Community Forest or drive a short distance to Bridgeton to enjoy downhill skiing in the winter. In the summer, Nason's Beach offers day use of the beach, and boat launch and boat rentals are available at Sebago Lake Marina and Long Beach Marina. Speaking of Long Beach is a 1-mile stretch of sandy beach, probably the most pristine in the East Sebago Lake area. Every third week in July, they celebrate Sebago Days, filled with food and craft vendors, amusement rides, and the best fireworks in the area. Since 1957, family-owned Jordan Store has been the go-to convenience store in the Sebago Lake area. You'll find fresh meat, produce, quality hunting and fishing gear, hunting and fishing licenses, beer and alcohol there, as well as gasoline. Nearly 60 years ago, back in the early 1960s, my family vacationed here at the Red Oak Lodge, a 2-story, 5-bedroom home just a few yards from the beach. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and also hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever our next video comes out. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Jane and Steve's Golden Anniversary Adventure. Join us for our next stop, Acadia National Park. As always, thank you for watching.